Are you new to cryptocurrency investing and feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, you're not alone. Cryptocurrency can be confusing and intimidating for beginners. But with a few helpful tips, you can start your journey towards successful investing. In this video, we will share 5 beginner's tips for cryptocurrency investing that will help you navigate the world of crypto like a pro. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos about the latest and greatest in the world of crypto. Tip 1. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, make sure you do your research. Read up on the crypto's background, technology, and overall market conditions. Follow industry news and stay up to date on any new developments. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Tip 2. Start small. As a beginner, it's important to start small. Don't invest all of your money into one cryptocurrency. Instead, diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple cryptos with varying market caps and risk levels. This will help you minimize your risk and maximize your potential returns. Tip 3. Choose a reputable exchange. When buying and selling cryptocurrency, you'll need to choose a reputable exchange. Look for an exchange that has a good reputation, high liquidity, and strong security measures. Be sure to do your due diligence and research the exchange thoroughly before making any transactions. Tip 4. Use dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that involves investing a fixed amount of money into a particular cryptocurrency at regular intervals. This helps you avoid buying all at once when the price is high and instead spreads out your investment over time. By doing this, you can take advantage of market fluctuations and potentially increase your returns. Tip 5. Don't panic sell. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, and it's easy to panic sell when the price drops. But it's important to remember that volatility is a normal part of investing in crypto. Don't let short-term price movements scare you. Instead, focus on the long-term potential of your investments and stay patient. So there you have it, 5 beginner's tips for cryptocurrency investing. By doing your research, starting small, choosing a reputable exchange, using dollar cost averaging, and avoiding panic selling, you can set yourself up for success in the world of crypto. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information on cryptocurrency investing. Happy investing!